In reality, ang daming nalulungkot ngayon dahil walang pera. Money is important. But money is not the be-all and end-all of happiness. It is just a means to convenience in life, and convenience creates happiness. So, of course, money can make us happy. Pero ang contrast naman nun, may mga taong masyadong mukhang pera talaga at hindi na happy. Bakit ang daming tao ngayon naghihirap? Not really because tamad lang sila. Of course, it could also be true. Not only because napabayaan tayo ng pamahalaan para tulungan tayo mga mahihirap, but really because there is inequitable distribution of wealth. Ang resources ng mundo is just being controlled by only 6% of the population. Now, it does not just talk about inequitableness. It talks about greediness. Ang daming nagugutom ngayon, not really because of lack of resources, but because of lack of love. Again, the opposite of love is not hate. It is selfishness na kung naging grabe na yung selfishness mo, naging greedy ka.